Please don't tell anyone, please. Hello, my friends. Welcome and Merry Christmas. Yeah, it feels kind of strange to open your Advent calendar in September. Wow. Please don't tell anyone. We are starting out today with the one from Harrods. Harrods in London, and it's huge and heavy. And I'm looking forward to opening this. I think it's going to be a good one. So let's start with number 1. What do we have? Ooh, it's from Laura Mercier. It's the Instant Extravagant Volume and Lift. That's the one. Number 2. What do we have here? There it is. What do we have? Oh, this used to be one of my favorite companies, but they are so expensive. Oh, this is La Prairie. It's a Swiss company, and this is the foam cleanser, and it is 50 ml, 1.7 ounces. I love this. Number 3. Number 3 is right here. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, it's kind of stuck in here. Oh, so this is from Medicate Crystal Retinol 6. It's a stable retinol night serum, super strength vitamin A. So that's how this looks like. Number 4. Oh, here it is. Okay, what is this? I see 2 products. It's from Rodial. Is that how you say it? It's a bronze glow lighter. It's a sun-kissed glow liquid bronzer. And then liquid blush drops. And this is in frosted pink. Number 5. Oh, what is this? This looks luxurious. Oh, Evidence. The special mask. It's made in Japan. It's a genuine icy wake-up mask for tired skin and dull complexion. You will be surprised by its instant cooling effect as soon as it's applied. Enriched with stimulating and purifying ingredients and with triple collagen. It helps tighten the pores, provides a lifting effect, and illuminates your skin. Interesting. I will definitely try that one. Number 6. It's Oi all-in-one milk. It says multi-benefit beauty treatment with Roku oil from Davines. If you know this one, please comment below to enlighten all of us. Number 7. Cute little box from Shiseido. It's a Future Solution LX Total Protective Cream. So this is the one. It has SPF 30. So as you can see, there are some exclusive products in this calendar. So number 8. So this is... Oh, it's from Sisley Paris. It's a floral toning lotion that is alcohol-free for dry and sensitive skin. That's cool. Like that. And this one is 100 ml. That is 3 ounces. So that's exciting that they are giving, I don't know if it's a full size, but 100 ml, that is quite a lot. Next one is number 9. Oh, another one with 2 products. Oh, wow. One of them is from Beauty Effect. It's a Beauty Effect blender, so a makeup blender. And the other one is from Hourglass. And it's the translucent setting powder. I'm so excited about that. I will definitely try that. 2 grams of products or 0.07 ounces. So this was a nice one. Actually, I think all of them have been really nice so far. Number 10. Where do we have number 10? Here it is. Oh, I've never tried this brand. U Beauty Resurfacing Compound for Face. And key ingredients are retinol, vitamin C, and multi-hydroxy acids. Do you know this brand? Comment below. U Beauty. I've never tried anything from them. So this will be exciting. Now it's number 11. I saw it. Here it is. Another box. Oh, of course. I believe there is a La Mer product in all of these calendars, the exclusive ones at least. So this is La Mer, the moisturizing cream. And I'm really happy that it's actually 15 ml, 0.05 ounces. So that's really good. I have tried La Mer before, but only this small test that you get with 1 ml. So this is 15 ml. So then I can get more time to try it and see how it works. So I'm excited. Next one is number 12. Oh, right here. Okay, from Bobbi Brown. So this is a Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. So that is going to be really interesting. I heard they are really good. I told you in my hits and misses for August that I did not like one of their mascaras. So I'm going to be excited to try the Cream Shadow Stick from them. Thank you, Bobbi Brown. Number 13, where are you? Ooh, at least a exclusive company. So this is from Clé de Peau Beauté. It's a UV protective cream with SPF 50+. It's only 8 ml or 0.29 ounces. So not much, but I will be happy to try it. Then 14, Christophe Robin. So this is a regenerating mask with prickly pear oil. Oh, it's a hair product. Okay, regenerating mask for your hair. And another product from Christophe Robin. And this is a scrub. Cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. So that's good. That's another new company for me. I guess some of them are British, maybe. 15. Come on. Did I open the wrong one? Yeah, I did. I did open the wrong one. I opened number 15 earlier. This is the Clé de Peau. So that was probably number 13, which I have down here. Yeah. Okay. So in number 13, we have a face mask from 111 Skin. And it's a cryo depuffing facial mask. This one, I can always enjoy a face mask. And then we have number 16. So this is a Harrods exclusive. It's Eau de Parfum, wow, from Uruk Chronicles. Let me just have a quick smell before we continue. So this is 10 ml, so that would be a travel size, wouldn't it? Wow. Let me just... Yes. Reminds me of something else. I can't put my finger on it, but it's good. I like this one. Then we have number 17. Skin Cycles. It's a lasting lips tint. It hydrates, heals and shields your lips. SPF 15+. So the Skin Cycles lasting lips tint has been formulated to fortify and nurture the delicate skin of the lips, ensuring profound hydration, repair, and a refined finish. This anti-aging lip balm helps prolong lip treatments, smooth wrinkles, and hydrate the lip mucosa. Sounds really good to me. Number 18. Oh, another one with 2 products from Lancaster Monaco. This is called La Crème, the cream only. It's 15 ml and it's a face cream. That's all it says. Face cream. And the other one from Lancaster is the concentrate face serum. It doesn't have any other information, but it looks really exclusive, I must say. And this one is 7.5 ml or 0.25 fluorances. Number 19, l'Elixir de Glacier by Valmont. It's a regenerating face cream made in Switzerland, and it's 15 ml or 0.51 ounces. Interesting. Never heard of it. Number 20. Where are you? Ooh, come on. Get out. Oh, another one that is in, I think, in all the advent calendars, usually with a really, really small tester. This is from Augustinus Bader. This is the face oil with the TFC8. It's 10 ml actually, and it's face oil, so not too bad. And it's 0.33 floor ounces. 21. It's so many new products and new companies for me. So what is this? Moncho Moreno. Ah, okay. It was so small I couldn't even read it. But it says leave-in conditioner with an anti-frizz. But it's for your hair. Moncho Moreno from Spain. 22 down here. Getting to the end. Oh, here we have some other masks. Let me see. Oh, we have more. So we have from MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Samani. We have Hydro Bright Gold Eye Mask. This. And Vitamin Infused Meso Eye Mask. This. And then we have one more. Also from MZ Skin. Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. Great. Everything is for your eyes. That's really good. Oh, another one with 2 products. So this is from Shampoo. I don't know. Oh, this is made in the UK. Okay, let me just show it to you. Lash Serum and Brow Serum. Then we have number 24. We are getting to the end. Ooh. I recognize this. It's from Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. Soothing Japanese Indigo. This one from Tatcha, and it is made in Japan, 15 ml and 0.5 floor ounces. Good one. And then the last one for Christmas Day. It's from MAC. It's a Maximal Matte Lipstick in the color Ruby Woo. Let me just swatch that. So here it is. Number 25 deserves a swatch. Oh, it's red. It's red, all right. But it's beautiful. It was a beautiful red color. So that was all for Harrods. What do you think? Leave your comments below. I think there was a lot of new products, and I love that. I love to try new things. And also some of the like Sisley, Shiseido, La Mer, Agostinho's Bader, you know, all of the famous, more exclusive products. So I think this is a very good calendar. I will put the price up here and what it's worth, because I don't have it in my head right now. But in my opinion, I think it's worth it actually. You are getting not only the small samples, you know, you get actually decent amount of products, some of them full size, and you get enough products to try it out and not just put it on once and see if you like it. You can't even tell after one use. So yeah, I like this from Harrods. Watch out for more advent calendars. I think I have 5 or 6 more. One is already out there. That was a revolution. So watch that if you haven't. Also a good one, I think. Okay, see you in the next one.